What if I told you the United Kingdom government itself pays international students to study in Britain, including tuition, flights, visa, and living expenses? And yes, some scholarships even allow you to apply without the International English Language Testing System. In this video, I'll show you verified United Kingdom scholarships, a step-by-step application strategy on the exact timeline for 2026 and 2027, using only official sources. Hi, I'm Ademola Michael Daniel Williams for One Nation Treasures, a travel consultant legally registered in Sweden, where I reside. I am not affiliated with any embassy or Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Let's dive into the fully funded United Kingdom government scholarships. First is the Chevening Scholarship. The official provider is the United Kingdom Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office. It covers your full tuition fees and provides a monthly living allowance or stipend. The scholarship also pays for your flights and all associated visa costs. Chevening funds 1-year master's degrees at any United Kingdom university and is among the most prestigious global scholarships. Key facts you need to know: applications open in August every year, and your studies will start in September or October of 2026. To be successful, showing leadership potential is a core requirement for this award. Next, we have the Commonwealth Scholarships, funded by the United Kingdom government for Commonwealth citizens. This includes tuition fees, airfare, a living allowance, and specific research support. Around 700 to 800 students are funded every year. Then there are the Great Scholarships, an official British Council program in partnership with United Kingdom universities. These provide £10,000 in tuition funding and are available at dozens of universities across the country. Confirmed opportunities include the University of Bristol, Think Big Scholarship, and the University of Glasgow, Graduate Scholarships, offering substantial tuition and stipend support. The University of Sheffield Africa Scholarship provides full tuition and a stipend, while Nottingham Trent University offers merit scholarships for the 2026 intake. Now, regarding the International English Language Testing System, many United Kingdom universities now accept alternatives. Officially accepted alternatives include the Medium of Instruction Certificate, the Test of English as a Foreign Language, the Pearson Test of English, or the Duolingo English Test. Your scholarship chances increase when applying to country-targeted awards, such as those specific to Africa, India, or Commonwealth countries. Always search for your country and university combined. To succeed, you must follow a strict timeline. Start by choosing your course and universities between June and July. Apply for Chevening from August to October. Submit Commonwealth applications between September and December, and apply to universities from December through February. Scholarship applications follow from February to May. Interviews are typically in March and April. You will receive results in June or July. And finally, travel to the United Kingdom in September. If you want the exact winning scholarship strategy and application checklist, save this video and subscribe, because your United Kingdom degree could literally be free. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Always remember that your greatest passport is knowledge. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next video.